Okay, friends, we'll see today's lecture, that is 1,3 disubstituted cyclohexane. Cyclohexane means substituent at 1 and 3 position, in which first, that is cis isomer substituent at 1 and 3 position. Carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3. Okay, substituent 1, 2, 3, 1 and 3. What is the form? Axial, axial, or which converted after flipping, that is equatorial, equatorial. Means here form is axial, axial, or equatorial, equatorial form. One methyl group is at axial position, another methyl group is at also axial position. Carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a structure number 1. After flipping, here conversion of axial into equatorial. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Structure second. Put a mirror. Mirror image of this. CH3, CH3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Structure number 3. After flipping, we'll get next structure. CH3, CH3. Structure number 4. Molecule having symmetry okay. If we put plane between carbon number 2 and 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 2 and 5 molecules divide into 2 equal part, or one part is mirror image of another part. Therefore, molecule is optically inactive. Here, if you put plane between carbon number 2 and 5, molecule divide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Molecule divided into 2 equal parts. substituent at axial position and substituent at equatorial position. Optical isomer, plane of symmetry is there, plane of symmetry is there, which is passing from C2 and C5, carbon number 2 and 5. Therefore, compound is meso and optically inactive. Optically inactive. Optically inactive means there is internal compensation, nullify the effect, and molecule or compound is optically inactive. Then relative stability, when both methyl group are axial position, that is structure number 1 and 3, where methyl group is at axial position. Therefore, 4-butane gauge type interactions, energy 0.9 into 4, that is equal to 3.6 kilocalorie per mole. In addition to that, two bulkier methyl groups produces steric interaction 1.8 kilocalorie per mole. Therefore, energy increases up to 5.4 kilocalorie per mole. When both methyl group occupies equatorial position, that is structure number 2 and 4, there is absence of butane gauge interactions. In its trans isomer, that is axial equatorial form or equatorial axial form. Trans isomer, above the plane, projecting below the plane, both goes opposite to each other. Therefore, trans, one is axial, another is equatorial. If you flip this, conversion of axial into equatorial and axial and equatorial. To draw the structure, methyl group axial, methyl group is equatorial, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Structure number 5, after flipping, axial converted into equatorial, 1 CH3, 1 2 3 4 5 6, structure 6. Then if you put mirror, then we will get mirror image. Methyl group, carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, structure number 7. After flipping, CH3, CH3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, structure 8. One substituent at axial position, another substituent at equatorial position. Optical isomer, no plane of symmetry, therefore molecule is optically active. Relative stability, if methyl group is axial, there are two butane Gauge interactions, therefore 0.9 into 2, 1.8 kilocalorie per mole, van der Waals strain. Then order of stability, that is cis 13 equatorial is more stable than trans 13 axial equatorial or trans 13 equatorial axial, energy 1.8 kilocalorie per mole, which is stable than cis 13 axial, energy is 5.4 kilocalorie per mole.